To replace the Zeal 6 SIM card, you will need the following items. Remove one of the batteries from your Zeal 6 to turn it off, and press the test button to clear the power in it. Remove the 4 screws from the main board. Carefully lift the main board up and turn it over to look at the underside. Slide the cover of the SIM to the left to open the SIM tray. Pull the SIM out of the tray. Insert the new SIM into the tray with the gold or silver panel facing up. Make sure the SIM is touching the edge of the tray. Close the SIM tray and slide the SIM cover to the right to secure it closed. It should click into place. Carefully turn the main board back over and return it to the case. Replace the screws. Replace the battery. If you change the SIM from Verizon to AT&T or T-Mobile, or vice versa, you will need to do the terminal commands in the written instructions. Go to the online configuration instructions. In Zentra Utility, choose Cellular Test from the Action menu to perform the test. If the connection fails, see the Zeal 6 User Manual for communication troubleshooting. Contact customer support with any questions.